Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel about to explore something truly mind-blowing. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome. And trust me, this isn't just any motorhome. This is a rolling mansion on wheels, a masterpiece of engineering, design, and sheer luxury that will completely change your idea of what a motorhome can be. From the moment you step inside, the luxury hits you. Every detail is carefully designed, from the polished wooden floors to the premium leather seating. The interior combines elegance and comfort seamlessly, creating a space that's as functional as it is stunning. You feel like you've walked into a five-star hotel but on wheels. The living area is incredible. Imagine a spacious lounge with soft LED lighting, a massive 4K smart TV, and panoramic windows that bring the outside world inside. Whether you're relaxing after a long drive or entertaining friends, this lounge sets a new standard for comfort on the road. The kitchen is equally impressive. It comes with high-end appliances, a modern oven, large refrigerator, and plenty of storage space. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or a full gourmet meal, this kitchen makes cooking on the road feel effortless and enjoyable. Then there's the bedroom, absolute indulgence. With a king-sized bed, adjustable mood lighting, and high-tech controls, it's designed for ultimate rest and relaxation. The bathroom feels more like a spa than a motorhome facility. Luxury finishes, LED mood lighting, and top-tier fixtures make every stop feel like a retreat. Of course, underneath all this luxury is the legendary Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. This means smooth, reliable driving, powerful performance, and unmatched stability, even on long journeys. It's a motorhome that doesn't just look amazing, but drives like a dream. The technology inside is another highlight. From smart climate and lighting controls to advanced safety systems, every feature is designed to provide comfort, convenience, and peace of mind. The Actros Motorhome blends modern innovation with timeless luxury, making it perfect for any journey. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or just want the ultimate home on wheels, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome is in a class of its own. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement, a lifestyle, and a true masterpiece. Thanks for watching Auto Plus. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so you never miss tours of the world's most luxurious vehicles.